All right, here we are, the morning. Oh, all right, here we are, the morning of day 3. All right, here we are, the morning of day 3, and we're getting ready to hit the road to get to the track. And where are we today?
We are at US 131. Looked under the car. It looks like the leak that we fixed yesterday has not came back, and no new ones arise. So we're looking good on that. Hopefully, the fog of the window won't be too much of an issue this morning, but we should be able to bomb right to the track now.
All right, it's time to hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
My dream car.
It's spooky this morning.
A little foggy. Oh yeah, that's the good one. We are heading to Starbucks for morning coffee. Gotta have your morning Joe, right?
Gotta have morning Joe.
What are we gonna do today, Josh?
Hopefully the same as yesterday, if not better.
I think it's gonna be a little bit better.
Fast.
Watch it right here, running ruts. All right, we're rolling up to day 3. Hot Rod Drag Week. All right, here we go.
We are here at US 131. So here we are at US 131 Raceway, pulling in, about to get to the pits and all that. It's very, very foggy today. I wonder if there's going to be a fog delay. I don't know if that's a thing in drag racing, but we're about to find out.
The impound, Back at you. He was videotaping me and I'm videotaping him. All right, right now we are trying to find a spot to set up our car for racing. And it's a little bit crazy. Oh, is that a spot? No.
No, they all got trailers at them.
Right. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy how many people are here this morning.
Yeah, it's kind of in the fog. Kind of a cool day for this.
It's busy. Like, there's a lot more spectators here than I think than we've seen in the past. Right? So,
Yeah, I'm actually, I'll tell you the one thing we have to deal with, and we're going to address it tonight, is the trailer sway.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, we get
Yeah, some
get
of
bad
it's
sway.
kind of like, holy moly. So, but
Yeah,
we got a remedy. We just got to get to the parts to
we
fix
got
it.
bad. Yeah, we got bad sway.
Yeah, loose so I can jostle this.
What's going on here?
Well, it's stuck.
Stuck? What do you mean?
Where do you put your-
What happened?
your shoddy
See, it
work?
welds itself together. Here, you want me to show you what I do?
It ain't happening. He lives here now. He lives here now. That's it. Just run it. Send it. Yeah. He's got his hand in. Rovic is going to go out there and maybe pick the guy up like a baby. There you go. That's the first shoe of the week, folks. First shoe of the week. We got it. There you go. 748 and 203. So they're going to have to go back and get the first 330 feet of that thing cleaned up. But when it came to life, it really came to life. It was pulled along at 166 of the 8th mile. But look at what has already happened here at US 131 today. The 3 quickest cars at Drag Week, 2
Josh, this time we decided to be in front of the line.
Yeah, no sense in us waiting in 3 rows of lines. We're like car number 10.
Yes.
So
yesterday we were like 3 rows away or 4 rows away.
It took like a good hour.
Torture. And all of our cameras are running now. Yes.
I better do something good because I got cameras and we're up quick.
You got it.
Turn our time slip. I wasn't able to rev it up as high off the line, so we ended up running a little slower than yesterday, but still at 12:63 at 109, I think it was. So our average is good. We're staying good. The car's running well. stop. We made it to checkpoint 1, hot rod drag.
All right, I gotta get a picture. detour heading to our second checkpoint, right?
Give me some film. Well, we had a snafu. The GPS decided to take a shit on us, and then we hit a detour. So now what?
Follow the guy in front of us, I guess, until we can figure it out. We got this.
Tell me likey. Tell me want wingy.
What the hell was that? Alright, there we go. Ooh, there's a shadow of our car too. Windmill action. Yeah, look at the size of that windmill. Wow.
Oh my god.
Real. Do it, just say it.
Alright, we made it to the final checkpoint of day 3 Hot Rod Drag. You may notice that Dave is in the back, and I'm in the passenger seat.
I am in the back.
We finally picked up Hunter after his 3-day hiatus.
I was hitchhiking my way across the state that made it across.
He hitchhiked from Hebron, Ohio
The Cupsy.
to Tecumseh, Michigan.
And here we are.
His wife picked him up, so it worked out.
Yeah, we're good.